So, hello viewers, in this video we will learn to create settings icon. To make it, we are taking a circle. Make a circle like this. Now press M shortcut key to select a rectangle. Make a rectangle like this. With free transform tool, adjust it like it. Now select the rectangle and press R to select rotate tool, and now left click in the center of the circle with Alt key and rotate it with 45° like this. Now duplicate to rotate the object by Ctrl or Command key plus D. Now select all the objects and from Pathfinder tool click this minus. Make another small circle in the object like this. So in this video we have learned to create a 3D setting icon. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.